Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Dipasha Sharma. Blood rain and storms to hit Spain this weekend as Dana weather front rolls in. A cold Atlantic front will start approaching the Iberian Peninsula from Thursday, but the weather will vary, with the brunt of the change set to be in northern and central Spain. Between Wednesday and Friday, the intense heat will gain prominence as the Atlantic Dana we are talking about will drive a very warm air mass over the peninsula. It will also be loaded with suspended dust from North Africa, meaning blood rains could occur. A subtropical jet will drive a pocket of cold air to the Iberian Peninsula, which will overlap with polar air from north to create a Dana-style storm in some areas for a few hours. This air mass will be loaded with moisture as it crosses a warmer than usual ocean and, according to Meteoroid, will be prime gasoline for storms to develop. It is predicted that they could be very intense in northern and central Spain. The Dana Gata Fria is expected to reach Spain between Friday and Saturday and will be reabsorbed by the polar airstream. Temperatures will fall right across the country and all types of adverse weather such as hail and strong gusts of wind could occur. According to Meteoroid, heavy showers may last for a few days. Barcelona experiences mixed weather due to several geographical and climatic factors. Barcelona has a typical Mediterranean climate categorized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. This inherently brings variability in weather conditions. Situated on the northeastern coast of the Iberian Peninsula, Barcelona is influenced by both the Mediterranean Sea and the surrounding mountainous regions. The sea moderates temperatures and increases humidity, while the mountains can cause rapid changes in weather patterns. During the transitional seasons of spring and autumn, weather can be particularly variable. These seasons are marked by fluctuations between warm and cool days, as well as varying precipitation levels. Different air masses such as warm, moist air from the Mediterranean and cooler, dry air from the Atlantic can converge over Barcelona, leading to mixed weather conditions. This can result in sudden changes, such as a sunny morning turning into a rainy afternoon. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.